How to log into your Santander Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Santander Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar simply type in Santander Bank. After that, tap on the first link, which is santanderbank.com. Now in order to log into your account, simply tap on the login option, which is on the top right side of your screen. After that, enter your user ID or your username over here. After that, enter your password, and once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged in or signed into your Santander Bank's online banking account. Now in any case, if you forgot either your user ID or your password, you can simply reset them by tapping the option forgot user ID or forgot password. And similarly, if you are not yet enrolled to online banking services of Santander Bank, you can simply enroll to them by tapping the option first time user enroll now. So that is basically how you sign in or log into your Santander Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.